What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to select and edit master pages in Adobe InDesign. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. To get started, have a document opened in InDesign that contains multiple pages. Seek out the Pages panel in your workspace. If you don't see it, navigate to Window and select Pages. With the Pages panel opened, you'll see a section with two default master pages. One is the single page name and the other is a two-page spread called A Master. To edit the A Master, double-click the page icon in the Pages panel to view the master page. Here, you can place elements and edit the page according to your preferences. Since you're editing the A Master page, the changes you make will be applied to all pages in a document. By default, all the pages in an InDesign document have the A Master applied to them. If you don't see A Master applied to the pages, simply open the Pages panel menu and select Apply Master to Pages. Here, you can specify the pages ranges in the Two Pages option where you want the master applied and click OK. You will see that the letter A will appear on the top right corner of the page icon in the Pages panel. However, if you want some pages of your document not to have the master page items on them, simply head over to the Pages panel. Select the non-page icon and drag and drop it over the page that you don't want to apply the master to. This will simply help you take control of the master pages in your document. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.